Hello, gentle people. I know you must be wondering what is going on here. This is the art of creative living, and I know it looks like a science experiment, but trust me, you're going to see how it all plays out in a minute. And I got the inspiration for this video from a class I taught recently at a local gallery. And let me show you. There's this little guy here. He came with his grandma, and as you can see, he was painting. It was a painting from intuition class. So it was an abstract class, and let me tell you, it does not get any purer than this right here. Like, he's 4 months old, and I was so happy that his grandma brought him to class. And I thought about, how could I get little kids painting but in a way that is safe, is non-toxic. And I found this product at Michael's. It's called Sweet Sugar Bell. It's actually cookie dough dye. But the reason why I got this one, if you notice on the back here, it says this is the cookie dough dye, a quarter teaspoon, and this is regular food coloring. And if you notice, it's a lot more vibrant than regular food coloring. And if you have regular food coloring, that is fine. I'm absolutely sure that will work too. So it's a product by American Crafts, and again, it's Sweet Sugar Bell. They have all kinds of edible stuff at Michael's, so you can get edible paint and edible like pens with edible ink to write on cookies, and they have a bunch of really cool products, so definitely check them out. I have 5 colors. There are 5 colors that come in the container, and I kind of swatched them. I don't even know where I threw the paper. Oh wait, I kind of swatched them yesterday, so the colors are as vibrant as they are on the box. Like, that's no lie. Sorry. And I thought, all right, let me mix them in with some yogurt, and this is just regular organic yogurt, French vanilla I got from Trader Joe's. If you don't do dairy, you can do coconut yogurt, or if you want something with a little bit more probiotics, you can do kefir. But let us get to it. This is the yellow one, and I haven't actually tried it in the yogurt yet, so this is my first time doing it with you guys. All right, so that's 3 drops there. Oh, that's pretty. Woo! Oh, isn't that pretty? Oh, that looks, yeah, that's the little cup of yogurt sunshine right there. And just off camera, I will be having the rest of those because I don't have a baby, so I'm just going to eat it myself. And this is the orange. 1, 2, 3. I'm doing 3 drops, but it's so vibrant, you probably could get away with doing less. Oh my goodness, it's like Alice in Wonderland. I fell down the rabbit hole. That's the orange. Look at how pretty that is. Isn't that cool? All right. Let me try 2 drops because I did 3 with those. Let me try 2. 1. Actually, that's 1. Let me just try 1 first and see what that looks like. Okay. Yeah, people, 1. It's a little pale, so I'll add another drop. I think 2 drops is probably ideal. Yeah, that's much better. So 2 drops. Definitely don't need 3. Well, unless you're using more yogurt, but 2 drops seems to do the trick. And okay, so this is one of my absolutely favorite colors. This is like a turquoise. 1, 2. Let's mix. Look how pretty that is. Oh my goodness. You know what's crazy? A lot of times when I'm painting and like when you're squeezing out the paint looks so pretty. I think to myself, oh my goodness, I just want to eat that paint. But of course you can't eat paint, so definitely that would not work with some acrylic. But listen, it's going to work with this yogurt. So if you have kids, this is a really fun way, especially little kids. This is a really fun way to get them to paint, and you don't have to worry if they eat the paint. And this is the green. That's a nice pretty green color, and I'm sure you could definitely mix the different colors to come up with different color combinations, but I'm just going to stick with the basics today. Where did I throw it? Oh, here, here's a green bottle. All right, so isn't that cool? We have that bright pretty yellow, the orange, the red, turquoise, and a kind of limey green here. So this is the fun part, right? Let me get these bottles out of the way. And again, just a reminder, this is my little baby friend that gave me the idea. So I hope he's going to come back to class, because this is regular acrylic paint. So if he comes back to class, I have some nice proper paint for him. So let me get a sheet of paper. I had a smaller sheet, but I said, you know what? Let me just do it with a big sheet. Let me kind of move these up out the way. All right, so I'm not going to use my fingers. If you have kids, you can have them use a brush or use their fingers. And literally, it looks like paint, right? Can you imagine how much fun they would have doing this? It is literally like painting. And that whole thing about not playing with your food, it does not apply here. You can totally play with your food and have some abstract art. Oh, and it tastes so good. Right? Adding some cool colors on top of our warm colors. And then here's some green. Let me tell you, I'm not a kid, but I'm very childlike, as my son likes to say. And I'm telling you, if I were a kid, I'd just be going local with this. Like, imagine how fun and how cool this would be for them. So again, it's just some sweet sugar bell cookie dough dye, and you can also get some cookie dough and make cookies for them. But definitely we are talking about painting today, so definitely check them out. The colors are super vibrant, and this is not sponsored in any way. I just got the idea from my little friend, and I thought that it was so cute. So 4 months old, toddlers, babies, they'll have fun doing this. Now I'm going to eat the rest of it. All right, see you soon. Peace.